Alright, hey guys, it's time for an EDC update really quick. First up, we got my phone, still the same thing. Then we got my wallet, my Expedition micro wallet. Car keys for the Toyota Avensis. We got my prescription glasses, new prescription glasses. And the case for it. We got my shades, my sunglasses, prescription slash sunglasses, blades, Ontario Rat 1 with the cool lanyard that Boham771 made for me. Thanks again, dude. Very thankful for that. And other blade is my blade that's on my belt, SE Izula. Let me get it out of the sheet. There we go. So that's my EDC right there, and that's my girlfriend's right there. So, alright guys, I hope you enjoyed. Stay safe, stay sharp, and have a good one. Peace and ouch.